I, Dr. Amit Chaturvedi, member of faculty at Himachal Pradesh National Law University, Shimla, welcome you all to the inaugural session of a 7-day-long event that our university has organized to observe the Vigilance Awareness Week as has been announced by the Central Vigilance Commission, Government of India. The Commission for this year has chosen the theme Satark Bharat, Samriddh Bharat, Vigilant India, Prosperous India. I most humbly seek the kind permission of the Chief Guest, Professor Dr. Nishtha Jaswal, our Vice Chancellor, to begin the event. May I, ma'am? Thank you, ma'am. Dear all, it has not been long that HPNLU Shimla organized a series of glittery events to commemorate the 70 years of the adoption of our Constitution. Under the Government of India's Samvidhan Se Samrasta scheme, our university, under the erudite guidance of the Vice Chancellor, organized a series of events to raise awareness about fundamental duties as they are enshrined under Article 51A of our Constitution. We are here to embark on the next leg of a similar journey. As you would know, the Central Vigilance Commission is an apex body set up by the Government of India in February 1964 on the recommendations of the Committee on Prevention of Corruption, headed by Shri K. Santhanam, to advise and guide central government agencies in the field of vigilance. In line with HPNLU Shimla's commitment to do the best it can to promote integrity in public life, our Vice Chancellor has yet again taken the lead and guided us through the observance of the Vigilance Awareness Week. We thank you, ma'am. The event today shall be marked by all of us taking a collective pledge that will be administered by our Registrar, Professor Dr. S.S. Jaswal. There are two parts to this pledge. One pledge would be at the organizational level and the other one we would be taking as citizens. We will be reading out the pledge both in English. After that, we will all be collectively taking the integrity pledge for citizens in Hindi. After the pledge taking, you are requested to spend about 2 minutes and generate the integrity pledge certificate by clicking on the link that has been provided to you in the WhatsApp groups. Kindly generate the certificate and email it to my email ID. I'll provide that to you again in the WhatsApp group so that it may be printed and we may be able to take a group photograph when the said event ends after a week. I now invite the worthy Registrar HPNLU Shimla to administer to us the organization level pledge. Sir, over to you. Thank you so much.
नमस्कार। केंद्रीय सत्ता आयोग वर्ष सरदार पटेल की जो सप्ताह के उपलक्ष्य में पखवाड़ा मना रहा है, सतर्कता पखवाड़ा, जिसमें हम सब शपथ लेते हैं। सरदार पटेल का जन्मदिन 31 अक्टूबर को आता है। 27 अक्टूबर से 2 नवंबर इस साल पखवाड़ा मनाया जा रहा है। इसी प्रश्न में हम एक शब्द दे रहे हैं जो कि केंद्रीय सत्ता आयोग से आए हैं। I read the pledge. We believe that occupation has been okay. Sure. We believe that corruption has been one of the major obstacles to economic, political and social progress of the country. We believe that all stakeholders such as government citizens and private sectors need to be worked together to eradicate corruption. We acknowledge our responsibility to lead by example and we need to put in place safeguards, integrity frameworks, and code of ethics to ensure that We are not part of any corrupt practice, and we tackle instances of corruption with utmost restrictions. We realize that as an organization, we need to lead from the front in eradication corruption and in maintaining highest standards of integrity, transparency, and good governance in all aspects of our operations. We therefore pledge that we shall promote ethical businesses practices and foster a culture of honesty and integrity. We shall not offer or accept bribes. We commit to good corporate governance based on transparency, accountability, and fairness. We shall adhere to relevant laws, rules and compliance mechanisms in the conduct of business. We shall adopt a code of ethics for all our employees. We shall sensitize all employees to laws, regulations, etc. relevant to their work for honest discharge of their duties. We shall provide grievances redressal and whistleblower mechanism for reporting grievances and fraudulent activities. We shall protect the rights and interests of stakeholders and the society at large. Thank you.